let us try to introduce a concept of national income. Well, national income, if we divide this word into two parts and understand it separately, national related to the whole nation, nationwide, comprising of complete nation, complete economy. Income, earning, revenues. So when we try to combine both these terms, national income is basically countries, nation-wise, economies, total earning or income or revenue is being studied under national income. Understand that when I talk about national income, am I talking about only one household or only one individual or only one firm or industry? No. When I talk about one firm, one household, one individual, I am talking about microeconomics. But when I try to understand the income of the whole economy, the income of the whole nation, then this whole concept becomes a part of macroeconomics. Hence, national income is a very essential variable, or I would say subject matter of macroeconomics. In national income, we'll try to understand how do we compute national income, how national income gets affected, its importance, its usefulness. When we try to understand national income at a greater detail, well, there are a lot of economic activities are going nationwide, like production, distribution, exchange, and consumption. I'll explain. Nation-wise, there are firms and industries who do produce the goods, commodities, and services. Now, these goods, commodities, services are distributed to shops and markets. At shops and market, they try to exchange these goods and services, and revenue is getting involved there. And finally, there are government organizations, different offices, individuals who consume all those goods, services. So there are a lot of economic activities happening in terms of production, distribution, exchange, and consumption. All these economic activities are represented in one economic unit called as money. So, national income is a composite measure of all the economic activities related to all the goods and services produced, distributed, exchanged, and consumed. In simple word, national income is all the goods and services produced, distributed, consumed, exchanged. The measurement of all these economic activities comes under the concept of national income. National income is also a barometer to study level of social welfare in the economy or in the nation. I'll explain this. Let's say there is a concept called as per capita income or income per person in a country. How do we calculate that? Simple. It's a national income divided by population. So if national income is more, automatically per capita income or income per person will be more. If it is less, then income per person is less. So once we start understanding national income, we also understand the per capita income or social welfare, or I would say standard of living of the individuals in the nation or economy. Well, Government of India in 1949 established a committee called as National Income Committee under the chairmanship of P.C. Mahalabnis. Later on, this committee has been upgraded to Central Statistic Organization in 1951. Till date, Central Statistical Organization computes, compile, and represent the national income related data to the government and to the nation. So, when I try to summarize the introduction of national income, well, in simple terms, as the name suggests, national income is the subject matter, or I would say key variable in macroeconomic study. There are a lot of economic activities happening related to goods and services, like production through firms and industries, distribution at shops and market, exchange at banks and financial institutions, consumptions at government organizations, offices, individual households. All these economic activities related to goods and services, when it measures in terms of money and all data is compiled, put together, forms national income. National income is also useful in understanding the social welfare level or status of social welfare. In 1949, Government of India appointed National Income Committee. In 1951, it has been upgraded to the higher committee called as Central Statistical Organization. Till date, Central Statistical Organization computes, compile and represent the national income related data to the government and to the nation